guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm here joined with my friend. She's right over here. Oh, I have no shirt on. That's awkward. I have no shirt on. Oh, I have no shirt on. So anyway, we're playing Would You Forever. Yeah. I'm not in it. Look at my shirt. That's disgusting. No. I don't want some because I don't have a shirt.
You do have a shirt.
No video. I won't have a shirt.
On video cam? Wait, no.
Oh, someone's saying hi to me.
Hi.
Oh, wait, never mind.
We're on replay.
Drown to death. I'd rather drown to death.
You're on record.
Oh, I'm drowning to death.
I'm hot. I'm hot.
I said I'd rather drown to death. Look at me. I'm in a tube of water.
Hi.
I'm not dying yet.
I'm dying.
You're a bird.
I'm burnt to a crisp. I am a chicken nugget. Burnt chicken nugget. People, this is what burnt chicken nugget.
Hello. Oh, I have no shirt on. Wait, I'm respawning. Does that mean I have a shirt?
But I'm actually a chicken nugget.
No, I still don't have a shirt.
Nugget.
Ah,
I got a chicken nugget thing.
that's adorable. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I got a chicken.
Oh my gosh, she's adorable.
Oh, hey Reagan, can we stop the video?
What?
Do a video. Don't post it.
Okay, I'm turning it off now.
Okay. I don't want to post it.
I still have no shirt on my view.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna play some mini games.
I'm gonna leave the game.
Sword fighting.
Okay.
Obstacle.
Leave it.
No, the
1 minute, I gotta do something. Okay. Oh, my shirt fell off. Literally, my shirt fell off. That's it. Okay, see, I've got so many hairs. So, you know the Roblox toys? What? What's the matter, James? Nervous? Nervous? Or are you nervous? I've got this hair. What? Your shirt. Okay, I'm back.
Okay, good. Hi, Dad. I'm making a video.
You are? Don't make that video, okay?
I'm just recording it for fun. No, I dropped. And I'm out.